How to get a BlueChew free trial. BlueChew offers a free trial for new subscribers, allowing you to experience their chewable ED medications before committing to a subscription. Step 1. Visit the BlueChew website. Navigate to the official BlueChew website. Step 2. Select your plan. Choose the active plan, which includes sildenafil, 6 chewable tablets of 30 mg each; tadalafil, 4 chewable tablets of 6 mg each; vardenafil, 4 chewable tablets of 8 mg each. Step 3. Apply the free trial offer. During checkout, the free trial offer should automatically apply, making your first month of the active plan free. Step 4. Complete the online consultation. Fill out a medical questionnaire to ensure the medication is safe and appropriate for you. A licensed medical provider will review your information and approve the prescription if suitable. Step 5. Provide payment information. Enter your payment details to cover the $5 shipping fee. Note, you won't be charged for the medication during the trial period. Step 6. Receive and use your medication. Once approved, your chewable tablets will be shipped discreetly to your address. Follow the provided instructions for use. Step 7. Manage your subscription. If you decide not to continue after the trial, cancel your subscription before the next billing cycle to avoid charges. You can cancel or modify your subscription at any time through your BlueChew account settings. By following these steps, you can take advantage of BlueChew's free trial offer and assess if their service meets your requirements.